As we approach the end of 2024, I'm excited to share with you 9 AI side hustles that could earn you thousands of dollars in 2025, all without spending a single penny. I know this works because I've personally done, or am still doing, many of these myself. I'll start with the easiest side hustles and gradually take you through to the more challenging, yet higher paying opportunities. Let's dive in and get started. And number 1, photo colorization. Black and white photos have a timeless charm, but adding color to them can truly bring them to life. That's why many seniors and their families are willing to pay for this service on platforms like Fiverr, where freelancers are colorizing photos for around $5 to $10 each. Now that may not sound like much, but considering it only takes 15 seconds to do with AI, it's an easy win. Here's how it works. I'll open CapCut, a free all-in-one video editing and graphic design tool. CapCut's new business suite offers a range of AI tools for creators and entrepreneurs. I'm selecting the photo colorizer tool, and with a simple drag and drop, a black and white photo instantly turns into a fully colored one. It's wild. To boost your earnings, consider upselling additional services like photo restoration. Black and white photos often come faded or scratched, but with CapCut's old photo restoration tool, you can repair those damages and make them look brand new. Another great upsell is image upscaling. Using the image upscaler tool, you can increase the resolution of an old photo, making it higher quality. As you can see, CapCut offers a wide range of AI tools, and every side hustle I'll cover today will use only CapCut, nothing else. It's pretty powerful, and I've linked it in the description. In terms of difficulty, I'd rate photo colorization 1 out of 5 sweat drops. For earning potential, it's 1 out of 5 stacks. While it's incredibly easy, the downside is that it faces a lot of competition, especially on Fiverr, which limits how much you can charge. You may need to think outside the box and promote your services offline to retirement homes or funeral homes. Get creative. Number 2, clothing model photos. When it comes to selling clothes, brands often need photos of models wearing their products. But if you think I'm about to tell you to grab a camera or become a fashion photographer, no need. With AI, you have an army of models at your fingertips. Using CapCut For Business AI model tool, you can upload a photo of any clothing item, choose a model, and let AI work its magic. In just seconds, the AI applies the clothing onto the model. It's like magic. You can offer this service on Fiverr or directly to small clothing brands. A traditional photo shoot with models can range from hundreds to thousands of dollars. But will people pay the same for AI models? Probably not. But will they pay $20, $50, or even $100? Absolutely possible. For difficulty, I'm rating this one out of 5 sweat drops. For earning potential, it's 2 out of 5 stacks. The reason: clients opting for AI models likely have a smaller budget, meaning you'll earn less per gig. But with volume, this could be a very lucrative side hustle. Number 3, captioning videos. In today's world, captions are everywhere. They boost accessibility and help grab attention in a fast-scrolling world. Because of this, captioning services are in high demand on Fiverr. Earnings can range from $10 to $60 per video, depending on its length. With AI, captioning is lightning fast. Simply start a video project in CapCut, place the video on the timeline, click Captions, and then Auto Captions. Instantly, AI generates captions for the entire video. You can quickly review and fix any errors, then export and you're done. There are great opportunities to upsell too. Offer different fonts, styles, animations, or even translations in multiple languages. Just be sure you're fluent or use reliable AI translation tools. While Fiverr is a great place to offer your services, I highly recommend reaching out to clients directly. Look for small to medium content creators, podcasters, businesses that post webinars and interviews, or real estate agents who share property videos. If you can land some long-term partnerships, you'll be set up for consistent earnings. For difficulty, I'm rating captioning 1 out of 5 sweat drops. For earning potential, it's 2 out of 5 stacks. Number 4, product photos. Just like clothing, other products need professional photos too, especially ones with that clean white background. That's where you step in. Using CapCut's online photo editor, you can upload a raw product photo, click Remove Background, and toggle on auto removal. In seconds, AI will cut out the background for you. It's that simple. On Fiverr, freelancers are charging $5 per photo for adding white backgrounds. While that might seem small, considering it takes just seconds to do, it's a quick and easy way to make money. But there's another way to level up your earnings. Offer custom backgrounds instead of just plain white ones. Head back to CapCut, click on Apps, and choose the Change Background tool. Upload your product photo and select from a variety of background options. CapCut's AI will analyze the product and generate a custom background that interacts with it, creating a more dynamic and appealing image. For this service, you can easily charge more than $5 per photo, giving you higher earning potential. If you want to really cash in on product photos, you'll need to target businesses that don't even have photos to give you yet. Back when I was in university, one of my main side hustles was product photography. I freelanced for local cafes, visiting every few months to snap photos of their latest offerings. Click by click, I spent hours cutting out backgrounds in Photoshop, but I walked away with over $100 each time, and over the years, I made thousands. Now thanks to AI, you can do what I did in just seconds. No more endless hours editing. For difficulty, I'm giving product photos 2 out of 5 sweat drops. While the AI editing is effortless, if you're also taking the product shots yourself, you'll need to know your way around a camera. For earning potential, I'm rating it 3 out of 5 stacks. There's definitely solid money in this, especially if you combine AI with some basic photography skills. Number 5. Social media graphics. When I freelanced for that cafe shop, I also designed tons of social media graphics for them, and over the years, I made thousands of dollars doing it. Today, offering social media graphics to businesses is easier than ever thanks to AI. CapCut's text design tool lets you write a description of the graphic you want and upload an image. It then generates several custom graphics for you to choose from. You can also browse their extensive library of business image templates, including Instagram Story and standard square templates. Want to start from scratch? You can do that too. The best way to make money with social media graphics is by securing long-term partnerships. You want a steady stream of work, so try reaching out to businesses to see if they're on board. A great upsell? Package your designs with social media copy, which you can even generate with ChatGPT. For difficulty, I'm rating social media graphics 3 out of 5 sweat drops. While templates help, you'll need to know a bit of graphic design to create more specific content. For earning potential, it's 3 out of 5 stacks. This can be a great gig, especially if you land consistent clients. Number 6. Content repurposing. Many video creators are looking for help turning their long-form content into engaging short-form videos for platforms like TikTok and Instagram Reels, and they're willing to pay anywhere from tens to hundreds of dollars per edit. Repurposing video content typically involves 2 key tasks: adding captions, which we've already covered, and resizing the video to fit the aspect ratio of each platform. With CapCut's online video editor, you can easily switch between common social media aspect ratios and use the preview feature to ensure captions and other elements aren't cut off. Many creators also want video effects and B-roll added, so that's another service you can offer. A great place to start is by reaching out to creators who produce simple talking head interviews or podcast videos. These are often straightforward to repurpose, and many creators are in need of this service. For difficulty, I'm rating content repurposing 3 out of 5 sweat drops. It requires some video editing skills, but it's manageable. For earning potential, it's 3 out of 5 stacks. There's good money to be made in this niche. Number 7. Thumbnails. Here's a golden opportunity to assist creators by designing eye-catching YouTube thumbnails. On Fiverr, people are charging up to $50 per thumbnail, but believe me, many YouTubers are willing to pay even more because they understand the critical role a thumbnail plays in attracting viewers. CapCut offers a fantastic array of features for creating thumbnails, from text and photos to stickers. I highly recommend using the background removal tool we discussed earlier. It's incredibly useful. But remember, creating a visually appealing thumbnail is just the start. Making one that actually compels people to click is where the real challenge lies. To excel in this, you'll need to dive into research and analysis to understand what makes a thumbnail irresistible. To attract clients, reach out to both prominent and smaller creators, as well as businesses with YouTube channels. Present them with a strong portfolio or, even better, customized examples tailored to their needs. For difficulty, I'm rating thumbnails 3 out of 5 sweat drops. It's manageable with some design skill. For earning potential, it's 3 out of 5 stacks, a lucrative gig with plenty of opportunities. Number 8. Video editing. Back in university, video editing was a major side hustle for me, and it raked in thousands of dollars. Today, the demand from businesses and content creators is immense, and with AI, there's never been a better time to dive in. CapCut is revolutionizing the game with tools that can practically edit videos for you. For instance, if you want to create a video ad for a product, you can use CapCut's business tool. Just paste in a product link, and it will analyze the website and generate several custom video ads. It's truly mind-blowing. Beyond its AI capabilities, CapCut offers a plethora of business video templates for every kind of product or service. Simply drag and drop your clips into the template and you're good to go. However, to truly excel and make substantial money in video editing, mastering skills beyond these AI tools and templates is essential. For difficulty, I'm rating video editing 4 out of 5 sweat drops. There's definitely a learning curve. For earning potential, it's 4 out of 5 stacks, a lucrative field with plenty of opportunities. Number 9. Influencer. You probably already know the potential earnings of being an influencer. It's significant. But here's a twist. AI influencers are on the rise, or at least humans are leveraging AI to become influencers. I've even created an AI YouTube channel myself, and I'll be sharing it soon, so make sure to subscribe to our channel to catch it. You can create your own AI influencer using CapCut's AI character tool. This feature lets you generate a virtual human that can say anything you want. You can choose from various characters, looks, and voices, though for now, this tool is only available on their mobile app. Taking it a step further, CapCut offers a for business tool called Script to Video. Just type out what you want your video to cover, hit enter, and AI will generate an entire video for you. This includes a script, visuals, music, captions, and voiceovers. It's like having your own AI production team at your fingertips. I'll admit, it's still a bit basic right now, but it's an amazing starting point to kick off your video content. And don't worry, you can always dive in and polish it up later. For difficulty, I rate influencing a 5 out of 5 sweat drops. It's the toughest challenge on this list. But when it comes to earning potential, it's a perfect 5 out of 5 stacks. If you nail it, the sky's the limit. So there you have it, your 9 powerful AI side hustles. Check out the CapCut link below in the description to get started. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. But wait, there's more. In my next video, I'll be unveiling the top strategies to skyrocket your AI side hustle profits even further. Trust me, you won't want to miss it. Stay tuned and see you there. Peace out.